Very good morning, children. Today we will start the Maths 2 third chapter Circle practice set 3.3. So now the first question is, in the given figure, points G, D, E, F are concyclic points of a circle with center C. So here angle ECF. So angle ECF is given 70 degree. Measure of arc of DGF is given 200 degree. We have to find the measure of arc DE and measure of arc DEF. So we will start the solution here. So angle ECF is given. What is that? Measure of arc EF. So angle ECF is given 70 degree. That means measure of arc EF will be 70 degree. So equation 1, put it this. Then we know that the sum of the arc of any circle is 360 degree. Correct? So measure of arc DGF plus measure of arc EF plus measure of arc DE equals to 360 degree. So we will substitute the values. So it is given 200 degree. That measure of arc EF will be 70 degree plus measure of arc. We have to find measure of arc DE equals to. So it will be 360 degree. So it is from give 70 degree. From equation 1 we will write this is arc. So here 200 plus 70. So measure of arc will be here, that is 360 minus 270 minus 70 degree. 200 minus 70 degree. That means here 360 minus 270 degree. So here what we are getting, that is 90 degree. So put it equation 2. Now by the property of sum of arcs of the circle, what we can mention, measure of arc DEF will be which addition of the arc, that is measure of arc DE plus measure of arc EF. So from equation 1 and 2, what we can substitute, the values, measure of arc DE is 90 degree we got, okay, and from measure of arc EF, that is from the first equation, we can write that is 70 degree. So in reason we will put it from equation 1 and 2. Okay, so here measure of arc DEF will be equals to 90 plus 70, that is 160 degree. So this we got, and that is measure of arc DE we got. So next question is, in the given figure, triangle QRS is an equilateral triangle. Prove that arc RS is congruent to arc QS is congruent to arc QR. And the next question is, measure of arc QRS equals to 240 degree. That we have to prove that. So this is the diagram that is in the circle. One equilateral triangle is given. Equilateral triangle means all sides are equal, congruent. That means first of all we will take it, triangle QRS is an equilateral triangle. That is given, equilateral triangle. So QR equals to QS equals to RS. That means measure of arc QR will be equals to measure of arc QS, that is equals to measure of arc RS. Therefore it is proved, the first one. It is proved that is arc RS is congruent to arc QS is congruent to arc QR. So the first one is proved. Now from the equation 1, okay, from equation 1 what we can write, that is arc RS congruent to arc QS congruent to arc QR. That means the sum of the arcs of any circle is known as that 360 degree. That means measure of arc QR plus measure of arc QS plus measure of arc RS will be equals to 360 degree. This is the formula. That means in place of QS we can substitute QR, and in place of RS we can substitute QR. Means this and this, in place of this two we can substitute QR. That means measure of arc QR plus measure of arc QR plus measure of arc QR, means here 3 QRs we getting. So that is equals to 360. So 3 of, we can write 3 measure of arc QR can be written. That means 360 degree. So measure of Q arc will be equals to 360 upon 3, that is equals to 120 degree. So put it equation 2. So here measure of arc QR also we got now. Now the we have to prove that QRS arc equals to 240 degree. So we will find, so from equation 1 and 2, what we can write here, from equation 1 and 2 we can write, that is measure of arc QR equals to measure of arc RS, that is equals to 120 degree. So by the property of sum of arcs of circle, so that only we will mention, that is measure of arc QRS will be equals to measure of arc QR plus measure of arc RS, that is equals to 120 degree plus 120 degree. So measure of arc QRS equals to 120, we will get 240. That means hence proved. Now the third question, in the given figure chord AB is congruent to chord CD. So we have to prove that arc AC is congruent to arc BD. So this is the diagram. AB is chord and CD is chord. So first of all we will start with this already from the given thing. So in the solution we will start with chord AB is congruent to chord CD. It is given. So here therefore arc AB will be congruent to arc CD. That means here arc AB will be equals to arc CD. Okay. So property of sum of arc by property of sum of arcs of circle, what we can write, that is we will add the arcs, that is arc AC plus arc CB will be equals to arc DB plus arc BC. That means arc AC will be equals to arc DB, because this arc BC and this arc CB is cancelled. So here arc AC will be equals to arc DB. That means arc AC is congruent to arc BD. Hence proved. Hope you must have understood all these problems.